That's a clear picture of him there, people, yeah? Hope you guys can see that picture there. If you see this gentleman there, he's not even a gentleman. If you see this janker, if you don't see this janker, yeah?
Yo, what the fuck you doing? Put your clothes on. What the fuck you doing?
And why are you here watching him?
What are you doing, bro? Get out of the park. Leave the park now.
Yeah, imagine, how would you feel if your kid was walking through a park and saw a man fucking stroking himself? Huh? How would you feel?
Can I say something?
No, you can't say nothing. Fuck off. You ain't saying nothing. Go. Pick up your shit and get out of it.
We're outside today, people, in the local park, and these are the things that's going on in the local park, people, yeah. And I'm resulting. Just look carefully, yeah. Why is that other guy just standing there watching? That baffled us, but it's only after looking back at the video, just realizing that he's just randomly just there watching. There's sick people out here, everyone, yeah. Be careful.
Yo, what the fuck you doing? Put your clothes on. What the fuck you doing?
And why are you here watching him?
What are you doing, bro? Get out of the park. Leave the park now. Leave the park.
Kids about and that as well.
Leave the park.
How can you be in the park using your personal belongings? No, you can't be in there doing that.
I'm shooting for Ice Gate TV.
No, you're not shooting for no TV.
Oh,
You're not shooting for no TV.
okay.
You're not shooting for no TV.
You better be leaving. You better be leaving.
Can I just speak with my manager?
No, you can fuck off right now.
Yeah, you have to leave the park.
There's kids around, man.
Yeah, what you're doing in the park,
It's not legal.
yeah, you can't do what you're doing in the
Not
park.
legal.
It can't be done in there. Not in this park.
Indecent exposure, it's fucking bad, bro.
Right. I'm off.
Yeah, you're off, you're right. Don't come back either.
Lima.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Get out!
Hold on a minute.
No, you have to leave. You have to leave. You have to leave the park. Big man, you have to leave the park. You have to leave the park.
Bro,
You have to leave the park.
move. Move. Go. The fuck out of it.
No, bro, he's fucking stroking it away.
Oh, mate. Fucking hell, he got the... Oh.
He's got the jelly as well, that common.
Yo, that's fucking weird, man.
That's wrong, isn't it?
Indecent behaviour out here in the park, people. Yeah, and we catch him. We catch him. Like, we're just out here walking through the park. We're going to cook today, yeah. And this is what's happening. He's got loads of jelly, petroleum jelly, and you understand, people, yeah.
Yeah, imagine, how would you feel if your kid was walking through a park and saw a man fucking stroking himself? Huh? How would you feel?
Can I say something?
No, you can't say nothing. Fuck off.
Say fucking shit, bro. Get the fuck
You ain't saying nothing.
Fucking
Go.
disturbing, bro.
Pick up your shit and get out of it. Pick up your rubbish.
Don't be going to no other parks either, man.
Pick up your rubbish. Take your rubbish.
Look, this guy thought he could sleep in the park or spend the night in the park and behave like he's homeless and be in there having one off.
It's not even that, bro. We've helped him out as well. We've actually helped him out. And he goes and does that in the kids' park. That's wrong.
He needs to be reported though, differently.
I ain't doing it. I ain't no
Yeah,
snitch,
that ain't no snitch, but at the same time, people, yeah, we're just highlighting who he is. You understand? That is it. Yes, everyone. So as you can see, yeah, we're just out on our journey and we're in the park. You understand? And we're here. We've got the put. You drop a hat. You drop a hat. Yeah. So we're just out here in the park, cutting through. You understand, people? Yeah. And we just saw that man there and what he was up to, but we've managed to do some quick research and we found out, look, he's on the Facebook as the name Piccolo. You understand, people, yeah? And that's him there. click on the picture so that you can
Hold on,
look. That's a clear picture of him there, people, yeah? Hope you guys can see that picture there. If you see this gentleman there, he's not even a gentleman. If you see this janker, if you lot see this janker, yeah? If you want to see the janker up on the roadside, yeah? Make sure that you lot know that he's in Croydon, people, yeah? And share this video to each and everybody that you know, you understand? We were just going through the park right now, you understand? We're going into main heart of Croydon, you understand? And my man was just over on the park bench, you understand? Bare indecent behaviour, overly exposed, you understand? As we was just cutting through, doing our own thing, people, yeah? So yeah, man, big up yourself. The mission continues, you understand? We're going to cook the good food to give back to the local community and the homeless today, you understand? Our good vibes. Lucky, I can't believe that, man.
No, me neither, bro. Like, I swear to God, he's lucky he didn't get a clap on his head.
Mate.
But I'm not that way inclined.
Mate.
So I'll give him fair warning.
Someone has to report him. But
Yeah, exactly.
we're flinging him up on the head, people, yeah? So, yeah, man, make sure you know who he is, people, yeah? And if
Light
you know
him
who
up,
he is,
light him up.
light him up, you understand? We're there, we're outside with the kitchen, yeah? Our good vibes. Who's gonna set up over there? Yeah. There's quite a few people at the train station today, innit? Alright, so yeah, man, let's just... No, down there, Adam. Yes, people, so we're just reaching another art of the... You understand? The trenches. So we're in West Croydon right now. Well, go on, half price? Anything? Alright. Look, my man's walking past people's stools, yeah?
Does he even work in the shop?
Huh?
Does he even work in the shop?
He owns the shop. He doesn't work in there. It's his shop, fam. My man said half price, anything, you know. You understand? Oi, mate.
Oi.
This side, we need to be on this side of the road. First of all, I just want to thank each and every one of you that's on the journey with me and that's been supporting me on the journey. Big up yourself, you understand? Our good vibes always, yeah? Alright, I was just simply walking through the park the other day, yeah, while I was out on the mission, you understand, going out to cook. And then we saw the guy on the bench. We approached him. And what I would just want to say to you people, yeah, if you just check the video and look at the video carefully, yeah, it was random, yeah. We was going about our way. We dealt with it the way we felt we could have dealt with it. And I just want to say to everyone, we approached him with the camera out just so that we could get that initial exposure to show what was happening, you understand? After that, everybody, yeah, we evicted him from the park. A community of us evicted him from the park. And then he was left with a few of the community, and I'm sure there was some form of report. But just remember that we was already on the mission, and we was out to feed the homeless, and we continued on that mission while we left him that was being dealt with some other people. You understand? Big up yourselves. You understand? All I can say to each and every one of you that have kids, you understand? Just make sure that the community that you live in and the community that you're a part of, everybody's just looking out for each other, you understand? It's a good vibes always. When you bring your kids out into the park, you understand? Check their environment. That was random, so it can happen at any time. It could happen anywhere. And we just have to be mindful while we're out and while we're on our journeys, people, yeah, to just look out and, you understand, and be community leaders in our community and just look out and just be there for one another. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Continue to share the video and continue to spread the awareness, people, yeah? Just so that others can see what's actually happening and what has happened and things that kind of occur in and around our local communities that we don't even know about, people, yeah? Like I said, I'm on the journey and I'm out and I'm helping the local community and especially the homeless. I see a lot of things happen on the day. When you check the videos that we're out and we're cooking, sometimes I do show a bit of what is actually happening while I'm cooking, not to put a downplay on the community or or what we're doing, but to actually show you the realness of what actually goes on while we're out. We're living in the real world, people, yeah? And there's a lot of dramas and a lot of activities that happen while we're out. So just be mindful as well that from time to time I will show you guys a bit of the environment and some of the activities, what happened, just so that people can know that a change is needed. You understand? And togetherness is needed out here, people. Yeah, one love to each and every one of you. Thank you very much to each and every one of you that's been on the journey. We've got 25,000 subscribers, people. Yeah, wow. That's happened so quickly. So our family members are growing rapidly as well, people. Yeah, so I just want to thank you guys again. Keep doing what you're doing. I am going through all the comment in very slowly. Do check the community as well. One other thing I want to say to you guys as well, yeah, England has 71 cities, and I'll be tackling those 71 cities, people, yeah, with the help of you guys, including Ireland and Scotland as well, people, yeah. So you could see that we've went to Jaywick already, and we've done Bristol. So we're on the go, people, yeah. The mission continues as always. Let's keep going. We're working towards having a van. If we had a van, we'd be able to go up and down the country, not just provide food, but the van will be able to store essential things that we'll be able to go out and bring out on our journey with us, like care packs, toiletry stuff, hygiene things to keep their hygiene levels up as well, and also essential things that they will need as well, blankets, clothing, all other essential things, hats, gloves, underwears, men and females. You understand, people, yeah? Good vibes, big up yourself, and let's keep going, people, yeah? We're on 13,000 plus people so far. So yeah, man, the missions continue. As you can see that our journey is very young, you understand? So let's just keep growing our family, and hopefully as the sun comes out, I know that it's very, 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 very cold outside, but as the sun comes out, I'll be inviting some of you guys, or even all of you guys, who can turn up and come and have a cooking day with us, and we just have a vibes that day, people, yeah? But until then, the mission continue, and our good vibes. Big up yourselves. That is it, people, yeah? We outside.